So students, let's see the circulation of the blood through the heart. So as you see in diagram that the deoxygenated blood from the whole body comes to the superior vena cava. Okay, the deoxygenated blood comes to the superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. Now vena cava is the entering point of the blood. Okay, now the blood gets collected to the right atrium. Okay, right atrium. As I have said earlier that there are 4 chambers: right atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle. So when blood enters, deoxygenated blood through the superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava, the blood gets coming to the right atrium, and then from the right atrium it goes to the tricuspid valve. Okay, tricuspid valve. So students, this tricuspid valve is just like a bag. Okay, it's just like a bag. When the blood gets filled, it automatically flows out. Okay, it automatically flows out to the right ventricle. Okay, now the blood collected to the right ventricle, and here is the point, student. The right ventricle is acting like a pump. As you see, pulmonary valve are present. Okay, so right ventricle is just like a pumping system, and it pumps the blood, and the blood flows by passing through the pulmonary valve and directly goes to the pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery. Now the pulmonary artery is very, as I have said earlier, the pulmonary artery is very helpful personality. So pulmonary artery, what is the function of pulmonary artery? It takes in all the deoxygenated blood and this blood taken and passes through the lungs. Yes, so as you know that in lungs, deoxygenated blood gets oxygenated. Okay, so in lungs all the blood gets oxygenated, and again the same story repeated. From the lungs the blood enters to the left atrium. Okay, again bicuspid valve is present. As you see in right side, tricuspid valves are present, and here bicuspid valve are present, which acts like a bag. And when the blood fill, it automatically flows to the left ventricle. Okay, now from the left ventricle it acts like a pump, and by passing through the valve it enters to the aorta, and from the aorta the oxygenated blood gets purified and goes through the rest of the body. Okay students, I hope you understood, and if you not understood, weak students, just see the students who are not understanding, some recognizing power is not very good. So students, you must see that diagram. If that diagram that figure you draw, you got easy marks, easily you got good marks. And if some weak student, you should draw this chart. I hope this chart is very, very helpful for you. Okay, so in short, if you are not able to draw a diagram, you should draw that chart. You can easily got marks. So see this chart. From the superior vena cava, blood enters to the right atrium through the tricuspid valve. It enters to the inferior vena cava. From the inferior vena cava, it goes to the right ventricle. Through the pulmonary vault, it enters to the pulmonary artery, and then lungs, and then left atrium, left ventricle, aorta, rest of the body. This figure you have to draw. Draw this chart, you can easily get good marks. Okay.